Every one of us is born with the right to live, breathe, believe, and
Act natural.
Everybody got a place in the world. The best way to find your spot is
Act natural.
all you gotta do is act natural, yeah. Act natural, yeah. I know you got some challenges coming at you, but the best thing to do is
act natural.
Be treated how you want to be treated. If we achieve world peace, we'll never be defeated. If we love each other, we'll make a better place. And ignore all this hate, cause we're all one race. Each and every human is always equal. We'll strike against hate, come back for the sequel. Forget racism and discrimination. Even though we're all different, we're all one nation.
You don't have to hide. Open up inside. If you have a voice, speak up with a bit of pride. Just imagine Earth being equal at birth. Everybody's valuable. Embrace your worth.
Act natural.
Don't be down, don't cry. Time to show the real, yeah, what's really inside. I'm just here to give you wings and know you can fly. What? I know you can fly, big dreams, bad habits. People make you feel small, yeah, tiny like a rabbit. I'm just spitting, not kidding. Listen to his words, stay soft, no kidding.
Act natural.
every one of us is born with the right to live, breathe, believe, and everybody got a place in the world. The best way to find your spot is all you gotta do is act natural, yeah. Act natural, yeah. I know you got some challenges coming at you, but the best thing to do is
act natural.
Equality should be the only policy. We gotta change our way to get that equal pay. Just because we're different doesn't mean we can't be friends. Just because we're different doesn't mean we have to be strangers.
Just be proud of who you are. You'll be happy and feel free. You are great just as you are. Be natural, that's the key.
make some noise, y'all.
Act natural.
Every one of us is born with the right to live, breathe, believe, and everybody got a place in the world. The best way to find your spot is all you gotta do is act natural, yeah. Act natural, yeah. I know you got some challenges coming at you, but the best thing to do is
Act natural.
Nobody should have to hide their unique side. Come on, let's go and show a little pride. Grab a ticket, come on and let the earth thrive. Give peace the wheel, don't let the hate drive.
Just be who you really wanna be. Love yourself, we love equality. Don't be shy, just open up your mind. Be yourself, just have a bit of pride.
Why is life so not fair? We have one world and we're treated without care.
Yeah.
We're fighting a demon and we're only here. All we done is run away like we are scared.
There's a feeling of discrimination in a nation with isolation. People living under limitations, but we're tired of manipulation. Gratitude and appreciation should be the only form of imitation. Homogeneous assimilation is an unreal expectation.
hey. Every one of us is born with the right to live, breathe, believe, and everybody got a place in the world. The best way to find your spot is all you gotta do is act natural, yeah. Act natural, yeah. I know you got some challenges coming at you, but the best thing to do is
Act natural.
to my special ladies, just who do you wanna be? When you look in the mirror, is it beauty you wanna see? There happen to be a lot of people who think you are. You probably never notice cause you're thinking too hard. I'm not the type of guy to try to lie to buy your heart. I just illuminate the dark so you can find your heart. And when you find it, look inside your heart so you can find yourself. Cause I'm not even trying to holler, I'm just trying to help. You're such a wonderful person and I'm for certain that you've been working on searching for your purpose cause you're hurting. But underneath the surface, your circumstances are perfect for you to understand that you're worth it. They like to make you feel worthless, but you do not deserve it. So now it's time to take a vacation because you earned it. So I need you to open up your eyes, look inside mine, and understand all you gotta do is
Act natural.
everybody got a born with the right to live, breathe, believe, and everybody got a place in the world. The best way to find your spot is all you gotta do is act natural, yeah. Act natural, yeah. I know you got some challenges coming at you, but the best thing to do is
Act natural.
ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for these students. Listen, We had a 3-hour writing session to create this from scratch, and then 1 hour